Why teach nutrition education in the classroom? Children who make healthier food and drink choices have improved academic performance, and nutrition education can benefit our whole school as well as the wider community. In this unit, students will gain knowledge that they can use in everyday life going forward. And the messages from this unit will reach far beyond our classroom walls, with students creating multimodal posters to be displayed around the school. These posters will advocate healthy eating and drinking habits, and this unit will encourage our students to develop these habits as well as to give their bodies what they need to grow and function properly. This unit links directly to the personal, social and community health strand within the learning area, health and physical education, within the Australian curriculum. The content descriptors are being health, safety and active, and contributing to healthy and active communities. This student-centred unit takes a strength-based approach, with inquiry and collaborative learning used as the pedagogies throughout. Within this unit, students can engage in learning through questioning and discovery. Murdoch and Wilson, 2012, state that learning through questioning and discovery is required to ignite inquisitiveness in learners, intrinsically encouraging them to creatively problem solve to get solutions. Stages of learning within this unit include tuning in, discovering, evaluating, making connections, and taking action. Bateman 2014 mentions that this approach creates an authentic learning experience that empowers students to participate, inquire, and learn. Furthermore, games and activities that are used within this unit are directly connected to learning outcomes that are linked to curriculum content. These student-centred, hands-on activities improve construction of knowledge and facilitate deeper learning. Green and Casal Gianolo, 2011. Using different forms of ICT throughout this unit increases communication and strengthens student engagement with the topic. Calcott, Miller and Wilson Gahan, 2012. Allowing for all students to connect, construct knowledge and contribute, therefore enhancing inclusiveness. McCowan McGlashan, 2014. YouTube videos and interactive activities are also integrated into this unit, using a variety of ICT tools. This then caters for all the different learning styles within the classroom, ensuring that every child's learning experience is enhanced. Wheeler, Waite and Bromfield, 2002. Formative assessment is used throughout this unit during a number of different tasks and activities. Observing students throughout class discussions and group work provide effective opportunities to assess students, make anecdotal notes and provide immediate feedback. But for this to be effective, Duchesne and McMahon state that the recording system must be organised, easy to use and time efficient. Activities and student workbooks will be assessed at all stages through this unit, allowing students to reflect and build on their learning through teacher comments or teacher conferences. This also leading to self-reflection, editing and improving their work if needed. Duchesne and McMahon, 2016. To ensure a safe and challenging environment is maintained, prior to the unit commencing, an overview will be sent to parents and caregivers, allowing enough time for questions to be asked and possible sensitive issues to be raised. Classroom rules and behaviour expectations will be set and reinforced throughout this unit to ensure that all students feel respected and valued within the classroom and are willing to contribute and share information with others. Meldrum and Peters, 2012. I look forward to embarking on this nutritional journey with our Year 3-4 students through this fun and engaging nutritional unit. Keep a lookout for posters around the school encouraging healthy food and drink choices. Healthy kids, healthy school, healthy future. Thank you.